Now, I want to talk a little bit about the topic of curiosity. One of the reasons in the Blueprint for Success, I ask you to write things down and to do daily review questions, review your week, and then we do the month, quarter, and year, is the very art of asking ourselves questions sends our mind in a new direction. You see, remember, the energy of the mind is attention. So where we place our focus and attention, energy flows and it expands. So when you ask yourself questions at the end of each day, you're taking your mind to look for solutions and possibilities. You're taking it into new territory and keeping out of regret, what went wrong, and negativity. Now, Einstein said, the important thing is not to stop questioning. Curiosity has its own reason for existing. And taking that into more modern day science, Harvard University has done some research on curiosity, and some of their findings might help you really understand why you must always ask yourself great questions and do it with a lens of kindness as well as curiosity. So curiosity is a strong desire to know or learn something. So we're presuming that you want to grow and learn and evolve, which is what most humans want to do. So some research has shown that curiosity, a mindset of being curious, increases perseverance and grit. And in challenging times, this is even more important to find solutions to your current situation in your life. Furthermore, when you're curious, it also increases trust with others and yourself, collaboration, and most importantly, your brain releases dopamine. And dopamine we call the happy chemical. So when dopamine is released, you feel better, and it helps people, in the research they did, stay motivated to keep learning more. So those are some of the reasons for asking yourself questions and for taking the time and making it a habit of daily questions, weekly review, month, quarter, and year. It's super important to keep asking yourself questions and consciously take time to intentionally review your day. What worked, what didn't. From there, if we do it through the lens of kindness and incremental improvements, this is where you will be able to gently shift and alter your direction in the 1% or incremental improvements so that you can stay on course, making the necessary changes and achieve the goals that you are seeking. So I hope that clarifies the importance of curiosity and keeping an open mind and doing questions and review. Thank you.